The Space Launch System is a U.S. Super Heavy Lift Expendable Launch Vehicle, which has been under development since its announcement in 2011. It is the primary launch vehicle of NASA's deep space exploration plans, including the planned crewed lunar flights of the Artemis program and a possible follow-on human mission to Mars. SLS replaces the Constellation program's Ares V launch vehicle of 2005, which never left the development phase. The initial variant of SLS, Block 1, was required by the U.S. Congress to lift a payload of 70 tons to low Earth orbit but exceeded that requirement with a rated payload capacity of 95 tons. As of 22 December 2019, this variant is planned to launch Artemis 1, 2, and 3. The later Block 1B is intended to debut the exploration upper stage and launch the notional Artemis 4 through Artemis 7. Block 2 is planned to replace the initial shuttle-derived boosters with advanced boosters and would have a LEO capability of more than 130 tons, again as required by Congress. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.